Guys, how do you see this face? I hope I look beautiful. I look fine. So guys, the purpose of doing this video is for some people that don't have any social media handle, because why? They don't want people to be seeing their real face on this social media platform. So if this is your worry, I got your back, okay? Worry no more. I'll show you how to get this kind of face after shooting your video, recording your video. You just apply this face. Nobody will know that you are the one. Yes, I know some people will say, what if I make a mistake? My friends will laugh at me. My family member will laugh at me. Worry no more, okay? They won't even know that you are the one. And while opening that page, don't use your real name, okay? Don't use your name. You can use another person's name. You can use another person's picture and create that page, so that when they see it, they won't know that you are the one. So when you're recording your video, before when you are editing it, you just apply this funny face and you're good to go. You upload your video, start creating content, and at the end of the day, if you're monetized, you start cashing out. So no excuse again. Let's go to CapCut and get this done. Let's go, guys.
So guys, for you to create this funny face content, go to your CapCut. Once you come here, you tap new project, then you go to your videos and bring in the video that you want to change the face. Okay, so go and bring in the video. I bring it in. So once you bring it in, you change your aspect ratio according to where you're posting it, either YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, anyone. You put the aspect ratio. Okay, so once you put it, then you look down here, you see these icons here. You see text, you see overlay, you see effect, caption, aspect ratio, filter, adjust, stickers, background. So the one we need is effect. Once you tap that effect, you will see video effect, body effect, photo effect. So the one we need is body effect. Once you tap the body effect, it will load to this interface. Okay, you will see trending, you see pro, you see glow to clone yourself, you see glowing, you see stroke. So you scroll right, you see stroke, you see hair salon, hallucination, superpowers, role, mood, portrait, mask, selfie, dark, funny face. So what you're looking for is funny face, something that will make your face to change. It will not be the same face again. So as you can see, you see many of them here. We have embarrass. See embarrass. Have you seen it? This one is fake laugh. This one is big mouth. Have you seen it? Those things you used to see at times. Have you seen it? This one is big head. You think you have a head. This one is bend. Yeah, this one is chair. Have you seen it? This one is gorilla. Have you seen it? This one is that one I use. This one is so cute. Have you seen it? So I normally use gorilla. I love gorilla. So anyone you like, you can tap among these ones here. After tapping it, you tap good. Have you seen it? Once you tap good, you highlight it, you take it to where your video end. I've taken it to where my video end. Okay, so if you play this video now, you will see that your face will change automatically. Let's play it.
Ta-da! Guys, How do you see this face? I hope I look beautiful.
So guys, that's it. It's very easy and simple. After recording your video, editing it, everything, you just go to body effect and change your face. Once you change your face, you're good to go. So after changing your face, making all the necessary editing that you need, you just go ahead, change the resolution to 1080 or 2K or 4K. Okay, and export your video. You tap here for export. You export your video and upload it to any social media handle that you want it to post. So that's it. Very easy and simple. Okay, if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this page, follow this page, turn on your notification for more videos if you have not done so. To all that have been supporting me, I appreciate you guys. May God Almighty bless you all for me. Always remember that. Blessed I canceling. Love you guys. Bye guys. See you all in my next video. Remember, no excuse of you not creating content again. With this funny face, you're good to go. And this funny face is very good. It helps to make your video to go viral. Honestly, I'm telling you the truth. I created a new page. What I'm using under my new page is this funny face. Guys, that face, that page now, if I tell you where this page have gone, if I tell you the reach, if I tell you the engagement of that page, omo, you won't believe it. So this funny face helps to make videos to go viral. So you can start using it. It will help to make your video to go viral because people love things that will make them to laugh. As a beginner, this is a game changer for you. Alright? Bye guys. See you all in my next video.